Good morning, guys! Ayan, dumating na po ang ating package from Malaga. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Wow! So we have the Good Leaf, Ashitaba coffee, diba, mocha. You've got barley capsules. Yan. Sa mga naghihintay. Okay, PM is the key. We also have 2 Omnifit. Ayan. So, kung gusto magpapayat, guys, Omnifit. And then the 4 green 100 capsules. Ayan. So, yan, guys. Bili na. Bili na. Yan, meron pa tayo dito. Barley. So, another. I have 5 bottles of barley. Ayan. Bye!